play Wingz there in a while.
I'm happy it doesn't sound good.
I think it doesn't really sound too much like it. It's very good.
It won't last you long. Run your faith 'cause it won't last you. Thanks for tape Out here, barely see my breath, surrounded by jealousy and death. I can't be reached. I've only had one call, dragged underneath, separate from you all. You all. So I lay your head upon a pillow, Jägermeister love and cigarette kisses. You can watch as my anxiety grows. Sarcastic sympathy, I'm practically useless. Lay me down, but do it lightly. I've said this one too many times. You got that look behind your eyes. I wonder what stinking face, big dirty stinking face, dirty dirty stinking big dirty stinking face, dirty stinking face, big dirty stinking face, 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 face. I don't need no speed, I don't need no heroin, I don't want no coke. You can't keep your candy, yeah. I'm a bassline junkie, I'm a bassline junkie, I'm a bassline junkie, and I like it funky, yo. What the fuck? What are you doing? Don't touch it! Who told you to touch it? I will fucking kill you! Don't you ever touch that fucking shit again! I'm looking for a big time bassline. When I hear one, I have a great time. Hip hop, that's all I require. And the bass might take me higher. I'm renting is a bad habit. I'm just like, fuck you, damn it. You take my face away, I'll blow your fucking face away. You might think I'm over the top. When you hear my bassline drop, I just like the top of action. I still feel satisfaction. So you come around here winded. I just want to hear the bassline rated. I just can't go all day. If not, get the fuck up away. I don't need no steam. I don't need no heroin. I don't want no coke. You can't keep your cabin. I'm a bassline junkie. I'm a bassline junkie. I'm a bassline junkie. And I like it funky, yeah. Big, dirty, stinking bass. Dirty, stinking bass. Big, dirty, stinking bass. Dirty, dirty, stinking, big, dirty, stinking bass. Dirty, stinking bass. Big, dirty, stinking bass. On the day going out for water, and I think that's what I want. I'm an infant, so in a minute. So I told them to suck my dick. And I told the mic off the power. So I turned the music up louder. All night till 6 in the morning. All night till 7 is boring. You know me, I'm the bassline father. Nobody can tell me nada. Please turn up and they took me. Jumps down to the thing and they took me. They said they'd give me a caution if I didn't give them no distortion. And I said don't bother, I'm guilty. I'm a bassline fucking guilty. I don't need no speed. I don't need no heroin. I don't want no coke. You can't keep no cabin. I'm a bassline junkie. I'm a bassline junkie. I'm a bassline junkie. And I like it funky. Big, dirty, stinking bass. Dirty, stinking bass. Big, dirty, stinking bass. Dirty, dirty, stinking big, dirty, stinking bass. Dirty, stinking bass. Big, dirty, stinking bass. Bass, 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 bass. Bass, 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 bass.
Wallet Inspector, may I see your wallet, please?
Why, of course.
Thank you. Here, Scott, I don't think that were no Wallet Inspector.
I think into Wallet Inspector's coming for you. I don't wallet, I don't run, I don't fear a thing unknown. Try to run, try to hide, try to see what is inside of the Wallet Inspector. Wallet Inspector. Wallet Inspector's coming for you. Trick man, fall away. But you will not win this match race. He's the Wallet Inspector. He's the Wallet Inspector! Hijinks ensue. Where's he gone? You got no clue when you got no money and you got no cards. You can run from him, but you won't get back. You will come out. What we did, you won't win this match race. It's a Wallet Inspector. It's a Wallet Inspector.
Wallet Inspector.